wish big man happy birthday, eh? Now very simple thing. Young money now, where young money? Young money no dey. Young money now, if you want wish in follow big man DGN happy birthday. As he enter 12 a.m., if you don't remember till midnight, if you don't even post down, but for night, two of them go somewhere, they go burn like 15, 20 million. Poor man, you go just day, they wait. They wait for 12 to knock. I know say Chineke no go post me. I make I just they watch. You know you get work. You dey wait for 12:01. Who go post you? Abba, poverty is bad. And if you dey here, one thing where you go take know whether you really broke. On a snap group picture, for example, DGN, Young Money, and Dutch. Come snap picture with Ayama. They won't come celebrate DGN. Anything we made them post that picture, can't use emoji, cover Ayama face. Guy, this show, this show stress me, bro. For the first time, I see where chairman they hide. I go my chairman. I there with engagement, they see him. He there for generator house, they say, I know they. Guy, he read. Some nights yesterday and this morning they begin. Wait, why are they wait for the day of the show? One of the plans are go die. Eh? What have you cancelled? Who's have you died? Ah, my landlady, I'm stranded. Oh, and God bless you. You're not going to increase rent. Guy, this Lagos stress. See the on our way from NaijaComedy, say, bro, I hate on now. See the traffic shut down. You came from Ajaya, eh? Others never still make am. Yeah? You come down, trek some. It's mad. Lagos, bro, no. If you know they stay Lagos, you know go fit stay Lagos. You don't ever dey traffic. You don't ever dey traffic light like this. You just dey drive for your lane. They drive. The next minute, you know there any lane. These people don't come like this. These people come like this. You go on navigator here, this guy go throw away face. You on navigator here, this guy go throw away face. You was stranded. We are M.O.P this. Billionaire is here. M.O.P. Correct man. They try for us low-key. You know they like too much shouting. You could just send your account. Oh boy, how far is it okay? Go say bros are deal. Go say this is no sound well. Send the account. For man to do this kind of thing for Baba. Wanna help me for that side. Wanna performance to overshadow my own. You don't see. If you stay in Lagos and you don't stay Lagos well, you know go fit tell me say estate security never frustrate you. If you dey here, estate security never frustrate you before. Raise your hand. You know that you get the way. No matter how big you dey, those estate security, when they don't frustrate you like this, one of my guys, they forget. I don't call for Amo. Now they ask and what's your name? He say Chinedu Funds. They tell us say nobody don't call. If no be comedy, who be one ballet? Who is one ballet? If no be comedy, you understand me? You know fit get them right for this Lagos complete. Every policy way they see here, they just they manage, but no area complete. If on a road smooth, on a need to get light. If on a they get light, on a need to get network, or cheat people. If on a they get light on a road, good. Baba. If on a they get light on a road, good. Just know say on a water the brown. Now why organic cream they sell for Lagos highest? Because as the girls they use the cream, they arrange their skin. Brown water they spoil them. Then they arrange and brown water they spoil them. You die here. Guy, Lagos hard. Service charge. You go enter your guy, big house, everywhere dark, but breeze they blow you. Now rechargeable fan. Who want on chandelier for you? You dey mad? Now make you see all the big men, then get that small green grass outside their house. Papa, if the thing not too serious, move that side.
M.O.P. Sleep of Talk.